In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send voice messages in Gmail just like in WhatsApp or Instagram. With this simple method, you'll be able to add a personal touch to your emails quickly and effectively. So let's dive right in and see how it's done. First, we need to get started by installing an essential tool called Vocal. Go ahead and search for Vocal in the Google Workspace Marketplace. This tool will be our companion in bridging the gap between regular email communication and seamless voice messaging. Once you find it, make sure to install it by following the on-screen instructions. If you get any prompts such as allowing permissions for microphone access, click Approve. Vocal needs these permissions to work flawlessly with Gmail. After installing Vocal, the next step is to open your Gmail. You can do this on your computer or your phone, whichever is more convenient for you. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to send your voice message from. Now let's bring up the email interface. You can do this by starting a new email or replying to an existing one. Simply click on Compose to initiate a new email message or open an email to which you plan to respond. Once you're in the email composition window, you should notice a small microphone button that appears next to your usual formatting tools. If you're unable to see it right away, ensure that the Vocal install went through and check your browser's permissions for the microphone. The mic icon is the window to your voice message feature. Now that you've spotted the mic button, it's time to record your voice message. Click on the mic button and you should see a recording interface pop up. When you're ready, simply press the record button and start talking. Try to speak clearly and keep your message concise, similar to how you would do in any other voice messaging app. Once you've finished recording, you're just a few steps away from sending your message. After recording your voice message, click on Upload. This action will process your voice message and attach it to your email draft. Ensure that the message is successfully attached. Sometimes there might be a small delay depending on your internet connection. After uploading, click the attach button to make sure your voice message is securely linked to your email. Before you send it off, don't forget to add a recipient and a subject line to your email. Feel free to compose a brief message in the email's text body to accompany your voice message if needed. Now everything is set and you are ready to send it. Go ahead and click send and that's it. Your voice message is now on its way to your recipient, adding that extra personal touch that text sometimes can't convey. Voice messages can really make your email stand out, and now you have the power to use them whenever you want. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and I look forward to seeing how you use voice messaging in your emails.